Welcome to the channel. I'm Kelly. And where the hell am I? Well, we might be in Detroit, and I got something really cool to show you. Let's check it out. But before I show you guys what I found, we gotta check out all this graffiti. It's just too cool. Or should I say street art? This is definitely not graffiti. Somebody lost a nice hoodie. Nice to true. Are you ready? An abandoned airplane right in the middle of the street. This is incredible. I wonder how this even got here. If anybody knows what type of airplane this is, drop a comment below. Well, I found a lot of crazy things in Detroit, but this has got to be one of my top ones. I'm not sure what kind of airplane this is, but this is pretty cool to find. All right, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll got tons more videos to come. Catch you all later.